Are you finding Instagram's notifications about comments and likes a bit too overwhelming? You're not alone. In today's video, we'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process to disable these notifications on your PC, especially after the latest update. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening your Instagram account on your PC. Make sure you're logged in, as this is crucial to access your settings. Next, look for the More icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, so give it a click. Now that you have the menu open, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various preferences for your account. Within the Settings menu, find and click on Notifications. This section is where you'll manage what types of notifications you receive from Instagram. Once you're in the Notifications section, look for Push Notifications. Give that a click to access the specific settings for likes and comments. Now comes the crucial step. Under the Comments Likes option, you'll see a drop-down menu. Choose Off to disable notifications for likes and comments. This will ensure that your Instagram experience is much quieter and less distracting. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled comments and likes notifications on Instagram using your PC. Enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience without those constant pings and alerts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.